you for visiting the Inspiration College channel. You are watching this video because you are seeking an easy-to-use video creation software that will do most of the hard work of creating stunning videos for your business or personal use. Let me introduce you to one such powerful video creation software called Vidnami. This article is a simple review on Vidnami, the ultimate and easy-to-use video creation tool in 2021 and beyond. The review is based on my opinion and first-hand experience using this cloud-based software. If you require full access to this review, please click on the link in the description below this video to see the full review. What is Vidnami? It is a video creation software tool that utilizes the power of artificial intelligence to create stunning videos from any article. Dr. Fernando is said to be the director and co-founder of Vidnami, and it is also a product of Noble Samurai. Why I've decided to do a review on Vidnami. In 2019, I started a YouTube channel in the self-help niche. Obviously, I needed a number of videos to populate the channel in a short time period. My first attempt in creating these videos was to use some free open-source video creation tools like OpenShot, Shotcut, Hitfilm Express, and other free video creation software tools on the market. The problem was that I had to search for free and relevant video clips for my project. Of course, I found royalty-free video clips on sites like pixabay.com, unsplash.com, pexels.com, and other sites out there. However, finding the relevant videos and downloading them was really painstaking and time-consuming. Not to mention that I needed a lot of free space on my computer hard drive to store the video clips. I had to arrange the video clips to fit in with the article, in addition to trimming and editing of the video clips to synchronize with the article and other audio files. As you can see, this is a lot of work and time to create just one video, especially if you have videos lasting over 10 minutes. When I started my YouTube channel and blog website, I knew that I would not have all the time to do the painstaking work of locating videos and doing the final editing. I have to admit that I used this method at the beginning of creating the videos for the channel, but shortly after a few videos, I knew I had to find a tool that was way much easier. So, I went in search of a video creation tool that could handle the job of creating a number of videos from the written articles without me doing most of the work. Thankfully, I found a few softwares that could do the job. A few of those tools were Vidnami, Lumen 5, and InVideo. After trying all three tools, I've realized that Vidnami was the best of the three tools to choose from. Later on, you will understand why Vidnami was my choice of the three. The creators of Vidnami said that it had taken them 3 years to develop an industry-leading artificial intelligence engine for this software, and it has now transformed Vidnami into the smartest, quickest, and fastest video creation platform in the world. Let us now see what the co-founder, Dr. Fernando, has to say about Vidnami.
Welcome to Vidnami. Vidnami is an online video creation platform that helps you grow your business using the power of video. You see, we now live in a video-first world. According to Cisco, video now accounts for more than 80% of all internet traffic. People watch more than 1 billion hours of video each day on YouTube. And 81% of businesses now use video as a marketing tool. So if you're not using video in your business right now, then you're missing out on one of the most powerful ways to reach new customers and grow your business. The good news is that Vidnami is the most versatile video creation platform available today. Let me show you the different types of videos you can create with Vidnami. The first type of video you can create is what we call influencer videos. Influencer videos allow you to upload a video of yourself that you record with your smartphone or webcam. Vidnami can then transcribe your video and automatically create captions. You can then drop images or other clips over the top of your talking head to illustrate what you're talking about. Here's an example of an influencer video made with Vidnami.
Hi guys, it's Dr. Anthony here. I'm just about to do school pickup and I thought I'd make a quick video. I wanted to answer one of the most common questions we get, which is what's the best type of microphone to use for creating videos? The mic we use is called the Rode SmartLav Plus. And there's 3 reasons why we love this mic. First of all, it delivers fantastic quality audio.
Okay, the next type of video you can create with Vidnami are content videos. To create a content video, you simply take a blog post or article, drop it into Vidnami, and then the system uses artificial intelligence to automatically select clips from our library of over 790,000 professional Storyblocks.com clips. You can then record or upload a voice track and quickly create content videos to build up a following on YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram. Here's an example of a content video made from a blog post.
With summer break just around the corner, here's our 5 top tips for traveling on a budget. Tip number 1. Book flights online using a VPN. Prices often vary depending on where you are booking from. You can use a simple VPN to make it look like you're booking from a different country and save a bundle on flights. Tip number 2. Fly on Tuesdays.
Now the next type of video that businesses need to create are video ads. Vidnami comes with a built-in library of instant ads that allow you to create professional ads in less than 2 minutes. All you have to do is choose an instant ad template, customize it with your business details, and you'll instantly have an attention-grabbing ad to use on social platforms like Facebook. Here's an example of an instant ad made with Vidnami. Now the next type of video you can create is something that every business needs. It's a sales video. All you have to do to create a professional sales video in Vidnami is drop in your sales script, tweak your scenes, and render your video. Here's an example of a sales video made with Vidnami.
Do you want something quick and easy for dinner, but don't want to spend all week in the gym working off the calories? Giuseppe's Pizza is now offering a brand new range of Healthy Choice menu items. Try our healthy pizzas with toppings including spinach, roasted pumpkins, corn, sweet potato, sautéed onions, freshly sliced tomato, and low-fat feta cheese. All pizzas are available on a low-carb thin crust base or a gluten-free base.
Vidnami is also the fastest way to create online course videos and training videos that explain how to use your product or service. For example, here's part of an online course video created with Vidnami relating to health and fitness.
Hi guys, and welcome to video 5 of the Fit Mom Nutrition module. In this video, I want to share with you 3 of my top eating tips. These simple tips will help you to stop stressing out about food and allow you to put your healthy eating plan on autopilot. Specifically, we'll be covering 1. Eating triggers, 2. Clean and treat days, 3. Portion control. Okay, let's get started.
So there you have it. Now you've seen just how versatile Vidnami is. You can make influencer videos to grow your online audience, create content videos from existing blog posts, produce attention-grabbing ads in a matter of minutes, create high-converting video sales letters, and produce high-quality online course videos and training videos. So to try the system out for yourself, click the button on this page and start your free trial now.
I have to agree with this claim, as I have used Vidnami to create most of my videos on YouTube and my blog, and I'm very pleased with the outcome of the videos. As I've told you earlier, the biggest problem with creating videos has always been the amount of time it takes to select all the individual clips for your video. This process can take hours and it's painful, frustrating work, which means most business owners just give up. But the all-new artificial intelligence engine in Vidnami is like having your own in-house video assistant that does all the hard work for you. In a matter of seconds, the artificial intelligence engine analyzes your text, automatically creates the scenes, and intelligently selects video clips from their built-in library of over 790,000 clips. All you need to do is a quick review and your video is done. So if you want to make 2021 the year you finally transform your business using the power of videos, then Vidnami is by far the better choice moving forward. Later on in this article, I will show you how the new artificial intelligence engine in Vidnami compares to other video creation platforms available today. Here is what you'll discover when using Vidnami. See how the artificial intelligence engine solves the biggest problem with video creation. A side-by-side comparison of Vidnami versus InVideo versus Lumen 5. How Vidnami artificial intelligence engine slashes the time it takes to create professional videos for your business. How Vidnami stacks up against Lumen 5 and InVideo. At this stage, I want to show you how the all-new artificial intelligence engine in Vidnami stacks up against Lumen 5 and InVideo, which are two popular video creation platforms we often hear about. Now just to be clear, this is only based on my opinion and experience in using all three software. But it is worth looking at some side-by-side results to see which product is going to save you the most time, effort, and money when creating videos. Here's a sentence from a recent video created by a law firm. Are you fed up with not being able to find the motor vehicle accident plaintiffs? If you copy and paste this sentence into each of the video creation platforms, here are the results you'll get. Vidnami's all-new artificial intelligence engine identifies the keyword vehicle accident, and intelligently selects the clip below, which is a great match for the text. If you plug the same sentence into Lumen 5, it appears to identify the word accident and then chooses a video clip of an industrial accident. This is clearly not as relevant, which means you'd have to manually replace this clip. InVideo selected a clip of a cricket pitch with cricketers. This video clip had nothing to do with the sentence plugged into its editor. I'm not sure what keyword they are using, but as you can see, their artificial intelligence engine is still in its early days. Click on the link in the description below this video to see the video displays from these three software. These results clearly show that Vidnami's new updated artificial intelligence engine is in a class of its own. Ultimately, what this means for you is that you can slash the time it takes to create videos for your business by using Vidnami. Another great feature of Vidnami is that it generates subtitles from your articles to the videos. This is very handy for YouTube videos and also for viewers who might have hearing difficulty. Even though YouTube has its own automatic subtitle generator, the option is limited, and if you want your subtitles to look exactly like your article in the YouTube video, you would have to provide the proper transcript. Also, using YouTube-generated subtitles, you are limited to only black and white subtitles which only appear at the bottom of your videos. With subtitles generated by Vidnami, you have the option to choose where on your videos you want the subtitles to appear. You can also choose the color of your subtitles. That's cool, right? When using Vidnami to create your videos, you might want to use text-to-speech voices for your narration and also a number of amazing background music. The good news is, Vidnami has a number of built-in text-to-speech voices. You can even use your own recorded voice, and over 30,000 amazing background music to choose from at no extra cost. You can try Vidnami free for 14 days before you decide if this software is right for you. The cool thing about the free trial is that you get to use almost all the features available in the software, and you can also download the videos. However, as with most software, you will have the Vidnami watermark across the entire video. Vidnami is a monthly subscription software and you can cancel your subscription at any time. The cost of the monthly subscription is $47 per month, so when you take out a subscription, the watermarks will be removed from those videos, which you have the option of storing in your members area during your 14 days free trial. Rendering speed of your videos. I have to say that the rendering speed of videos will depend on how long your video is. If you have a video with a duration of 5 minutes, the rendering speed will take just a couple of minutes. On the other hand, if you have a video with a duration of 15 minutes, then the rendering speed will be longer. At the end of the day, you are going to have a finished video with all the relevant video clips automatically chosen by the software, based on the keywords in your article. If you were to create this video manually, it would take a lot of time to finish. This very video that you are watching now was created manually and it took me a good while to finish it. If I had used Vidnami, all I had to do is copy and paste this review in the editor and voila, my video would be created in minutes with the relevant clips. Pros and cons of Vidnami. Well, all that I've mentioned so far in this review can be considered pros. You might be asking yourself, are there any cons? As with most software tools, you will always find some drawbacks in the functionality or use of the software. In my opinion, I would say the con is, since you have to pay a monthly subscription fee to use the tool, you would have to ensure that you will be creating videos frequently. This tool is suitable for someone who is going to create a number of videos monthly. If you are going to use Vidnami 3 times per month, then you would need to decide whether or not paying $47 per month is financially smart. Overall, it's a brilliant software tool for any business utilizing videos in its marketing efforts. Types of videos created by Vidnami. 1. Influencer videos. 2. Course videos. 3. Facebook ads. 4. Sales videos. 5. E-commerce videos. 6. Real estate videos. 7. Instagram ads. 8. Content videos. Here is a video I've created using Vidnami. This is the welcome video on the Who Am I page of my blog.
Welcome to the Passive Move blog website. This video will give a brief overview of what the Passive Move blog is all about and how the content shared on this website will help to transform your life as you move into the future. The Passive Move website is geared at providing invaluable content to its viewers on self-esteem, self-confidence, motivation, leadership, meditation, parenting, relationships, and other rich information in the self-help niche. On our website, we try to make your visit as comfortable and enjoyable as can be. We provide you with the content on various topics in the self-help niche. Not only do we provide you with written articles, but we also provide you with videos of those articles in which you have the choice to either read our articles or watch the videos we have created from the articles. Of course, you can enjoy both of our content delivery methods. As you surf our website, we would appreciate it if you could share our content with others who might benefit from the information delivered. Always let us know your thoughts by leaving a comment in the comment section of each article. We always respond to comments whether negative or positive. We wish you all the best as you seek information to improve on your self-development. Thank you for visiting our site and please feel free to stop by again and again. Once again, enjoy your stay.
My final thoughts. I'm pleased with this software. It does what the creators claim, so I would definitely recommend it to anyone who is looking for an easy-to-use and reliable video creation tool for their business or for personal use. So if you want to transform your business using video in 2021, check out Vidnami Video Creation Tool with its updated AI engine. If you have tried Vidnami and find it to be a brilliant tool to make video creation a breeze, then hit the share button for others to experience this amazing tool. Also, leave us a relevant comment to tell us what you think about Vidnami. If you like this video review, then please like, share, and give a thumbs up to the video. Also, you can subscribe to our channel to get more informative videos in the future. Thanks for watching.